everybody. Welcome back to our last Halloween episode. It's so sad. I had so much fun doing this with you guys. Let me know what's your favorite costume. I definitely have a favorite. Or if you want, you can guess what you think my favorite costume was. Today I want to make one of my favorite pastries. It's going to be so delicious. So we're going to do banana chocolate croissants. It's going to be so good. But for the last costume, what do we think? So let's get started. So today I'm using pre-made dough. You can find this in your freezer aisle. Sometimes they're in the refrigerator aisle. I've already made a croissant recipe before, so if you want that recipe, I can just link it below. But this time, if you want something a little bit faster, just use the pre-made one. You don't have to do all the work if you really don't want to do all that. So it's really windy today. So I have this covered because I need to roll out the dough. That's the first thing we're going to do is roll out this dough, and I'm afraid that when I open this, flour is going to get everywhere. So I'm waiting for the perfect opportunity. Now. Okay, so let's lightly flour our table. That worked too. Okay. All right, so we're just going to roll out our dough just a little bit so that when we cut it into strips, it's going to go on the banana a lot easier. So I've never made this recipe before, but I did pull out 2 of the doughs. I think we actually only need 1 if you're going to make between 5 to 6 croissants. So next, just use a knife and gently try to make the slices as even as possible. And I actually think I did these perfect for my bananas. Hey, where'd the light go? I'm really excited for these because I love chocolate and I love bananas and I love croissants. It's my 3 favorite things in one. All right, so what we're going to do is make banana boats so that way we can fit the banana hole with chocolate. Who doesn't want that? So we're going to take our banana, and you kind of want your banana as ripe as possible. That way, when you slide your spoon in, it'll just come right out. Yeah. And then eat the piece as a snack. I love banana. Try to make it a little more boaty, actually. Guys, it is so windy. I really hope the audio is not going to be bad when it's time to edit. Also, if anybody was wondering, these banana chunks, I'm probably just going to make it into a smoothie after this because I don't want it to go to waste, and I love bananas. Okay, next we want to take our bananas, and I have Kinder chocolate bars here. You can use any chocolate that you like. I just thought it would look pretty. Okay, next we're going to take our pastry dough. Oh guys, if you knew how I was struggling, this will not be the example. Okay, this is not the example, so I'm gonna put it here and we're gonna ignore that one. I literally just had to fist fight the wind to stop. Like, that was crazy. Okay, as I was saying, taking our banana, putting the chocolate in, and make it pretty, you know, especially if this is like for a guest or even if it's for yourself. Just gonna wanna gently, oh God! The wind is so windy, guys. It's breaking my banana. OMG, OMG, OMG. This will also not be the example. Bear with me, guys. I might blow away. Okay, one more time. Banana. Anyway, while I'm suffering, what are you guys gonna be for Halloween? I wish I could do trick or treat, but I'm a little too old now. And the only excuse is like if you have kids, but I don't have kids. I have my dogs, though. Sorry this episode is a little... And you know what's crazy, guys? It didn't wind all week, so I don't know what's going on here. Fun for me. Okay, last one. Hopefully the wind will not give me trouble. I decided to just kind of break the chocolate in half and then put it on here. It's kind of been helping a little bit with this wind. Okay, last one. We could do this. Okay. Can you imagine, guys, if I made the dough today? Okay, this one's a little too long. Now it fits. Now we're just going to do a little egg wash. Just brown the top nice and pretty. And I was able to make 6 out of the 1 pastry dough. But just know when you're baking it, you want them to have some space because they are going to puff up a little bit. Just give these a nice brush. And then we're going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And now we're finally ready to pop these in the oven. I'm probably going to have to wait a few minutes. As you can see, the wind is going crazy and my wood fire obviously going to go nuts with this. So once it calms down, I will put mine in the oven. Okay guys, we are ready to try our chocolate banana croissants. I've let them cool just slightly enough to where I wouldn't burn my mouth or anything. And we're just going to drizzle with a little bit of chocolate. Any melted chocolate you like is fine. Give it a nice little drizzle. And you also can put powdered sugar on top too, if you want to be crazy. Little drizzle. And you also can put... My gosh, these are going to be so good. Okay, let's try one. Try this little piece right here. Ooh, look at that. Guys, whoa. This is so good. It's like so flaky. I don't even know if you heard it when I took a bite. It's so good. And the banana's so warm. It's like plátanos, like plantains, like just so delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad that you made chocolate banana croissants with me. Make sure you comment if you're going to make this recipe or any other ideas you have. So my birthday's coming up, and I think I want to do like a cute little, like making a cake or making cupcakes with me. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. My birthday is the beginning of November, so it's coming up. Please like this video if anything. It means so much to me, and it really helps my channel since it's so small right now. And subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you next time. Bye! Windy day, guys. Windy day. Just, oh, I don't want to be talking to myself. Oh. Am I cute, calm, and collected? No. God. God. Help! Help! What the hell? Ah! The chocolate and the banana. Oh, that looks really ugly. Hold on. Start again. Ah! This is an episode from hell. My hair went in my throat. This is a scary movie. How the wind is treating me. Hi, I'm a chef. Hi, I'm a chef. I forgot the pumpkin.